This is the most intense table session that I have seen Dennis do in well over a year now. I have been criticizing Dennis more than anyone else out of all of the YouTubers. And yet even I am getting a feeling now that this year Dennis might just make his comeback. In one of the older videos on the Body Mania channel, Dennis said that his left arm doesn't hurt now. It's just the crunching noise that is bothering him. Maybe the left arm looks smaller too, but it could be his misconception. He's trying to heal his left arm little by little. He's pumping it up with light weight. So looks like even with the left arm, he is considering something. Maybe not this year, but maybe in 2027, we're going to see Dennis' left arm pulling everyone's whole body across the table. As far as the comeback is considered for this year, Dennis will have some more tests done on Saturday. Then he'll get to see the reports and finally he will decide whether he's going to arm wrestle this year or not. While explaining his current situation, Dennis now has completely stopped talking about the hip issues that he used to talk about, or any issue for that matter. He says he's fine, but he still needs the clearance from the doctors. But he hasn't started anything specific yet. By specific, I think he meant to say training for a particular arm wrestler, training for a particular super match, or doing arm wrestling exercises in the gym. It could have been any of these two. I hope Dennis makes a comeback this year. I know he's not going to listen to me or anyone else for this subject, but I just hope he cuts down to 115 kilos and he goes up against the loser of the 115 kg title match between Dave Chaffee and Ivan Matyushenko. Stylistically, I would say Ivan is better suited for Dennis. I'm not sure if they are willing to put up Russian against Russian in a comeback match for Denis Cyplenkov, but it could be someone else in the 115 kg division. It doesn't have to be one of these two. Put him up against Sergey Khlynichenko. Russia versus Ukraine. Let's go. But the biggest problem that Dennis had, he's still showing it. The problem that is going to prevent him from ever entering the top 5 in the world, or maybe even top 10 as of now. And that is the dad roll move. Dennis is grabbing everyone so low by the wrist and he's trying to top roll them from there. How do you do that? Even if you can, you are vulnerable to a flop press in this position. Anyone can flop press you. And in 2026, everyone is a flop presser. Dennis has given his explanation about this subject, that due to his hand shape or hand size, it gets difficult for him to grab higher. I'm not sure why that is the case, but earlier it used to work for Dennis because he was forcing everyone in a hook, or at least most of the guys. Now he's top rolling everyone. So that dad roll is not going to work for him. Everyone went back to the Body Mania video and told Dennis and the channel that Denis Cyplenkov's prediction about the left arm match between Vitaly and Devon was spot on. Especially the refereeing part where the referees are literally helping Devon to win the match. Dennis said that he's sure that the right arm match will be more interesting than the left arm one. But again, he's hoping that the judging will be more adequate this time. There is no need to make such a circus anymore. It should not happen. Will it happen? We'll have to wait and see. Denis Cyplenkov regularly promotes the Armatura events. Maybe he's a part owner in that organization. I'm not sure about that. But what I am sure about is that the next Armatura event will be on 15th of March. I'll give the website link in the description. You can check out the details from there. These are the main matches. You can see them on your screen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.